I will be back. I will be back. I will be back. She loves cookies. She loves cookies. She loves cookies. He demands an explanation. He demands an explanation. He demands an explanation. I drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. She has a red bag. She has a red bag. She has a red bag. He got an iPad. He got an iPad. He got an iPad. I like rice. I like rice. I like rice. We should go home. We should go home. We should go home. Zebras have stripes. Zebras have stripes. Zebras have stripes. The wedding is today. The wedding is today. The wedding is today. I brought my baseball bat. I brought my baseball bat. I brought my baseball bat. Jerry likes ice cream. Jerry likes ice cream. Jerry likes ice cream. Write it on your notebook. Write it on your notebook. Write it on your notebook. That is a lot of pizza. That is a lot of pizza. That is a lot of pizza. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming? The cat is cute. The cat is cute. The cat is cute. This game is fun. This game is fun. This game is fun. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? The pie is good. The pie is good. The pie is good. Can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim? That is a really tall tree. That is a really tall tree. That is a really tall tree. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. I am a good student. I am a good student. I am a good student. This is exciting. This is exciting. This is exciting. Will John come today? Will John come today? Will John come today? They are best friends. They are best friends. They are best friends. How tall are you? How tall are you? How tall are you? What a beautiful view. What a beautiful view. What a beautiful view. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Be careful, Tom. Be careful, Tom. Be careful, Tom. Can I see your phone? Can I see your phone? Can I see your phone? Amelia likes painting. Amelia likes painting. Amelia likes painting. Tate loves to sing. Tate loves to sing. Tate loves to sing. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? We went shopping twice. We went shopping twice. We went shopping twice. You are amazing. You are amazing. You are amazing.